Hey everyone, so today I'm reviewing these high quality tourniquets here. It comes in a 2-pack. This tourniquet is incredibly useful and is easy to apply. You can do it all by yourself. It does have a high quality Velcro to it. You can use over and over again, which is nice. It does have a quality buckle here as well. And then you can see the pin here. So, very simple to apply. So what you want to do is put it 2 inches over the site that you're working on. Going to feed it through the buckle here. And then you're going to apply enough pressure to it. So then what you want to do is take this pin and pull up on the pin, and you're going to turn it until you're able to maintain enough pressure for what you're using it for. And then what you're going to do is take that pin and put it inside the bracket here. It fits nice like that. And then you can close this up. It has a place for the date and time if you have a marker with you in these emergency situations. And that's it. So what it's going to do, it's going to hold and maintain that pressure, help your symptoms of what's going on there. And this thing is, like I said, high quality. It's definitely on par with some of the bigger name brand ones that I've seen before. It's just overall a great product to have in your first aid kit. So if you're looking for a high quality tourniquet, I highly suggest these ones. Thanks for watching.